In this video, I will show you how to sell Cronos on Crypto.com. To do this, just open up Crypto.com and then click Accounts in the bottom. From here, click Crypto Wallet and select Cronos. And once you're in the Cronos section, just click Sell Crow, and from here you can sell it for cash or crypto. I want to do it for cash. And then here just go and click on Max, and then it will select all the Cronos you have, and then click Sell. Now, if you can't sell it for some reason, I'll show you why that may be in a second, but for now just click confirm and enter your passcode, and then I have sold this crow. So for me now my balance is 0, and if you now click hide small balances, you will now see it is gone from here. Now, if for you cannot yet sell it for some reason, then the reason could be that if you scroll down a bit, you can see that a little bit of it will be staked, and if that is the case, then you just want to go and unstake it, and once you unstake it, then you will be able to also sell it. So now you can see it's gone from my crypto wallet, and I have just sold it. So now you know how to sell Cronos on Crypto.com. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.